today we're going to be installing this card into that Inspiron, a 3668. I've got actually several of those computers in the studio, and this one here has an awful lot of things going on with it. It's required to run our actual live stream, and I need to be able to expand it a little bit better. So we're going to add this to the very top, which is going to give us our PCIe expansion slot. It's the basic slot on the top, so we're going to add straight to that, and it should be no problem at all. We do have to get this guy out of here first, and there you go. It comes out that easy. It's very nice. It's very easy. This is going to give me the ability to take this guy, flip it over, and now pop it right into place. And that's it. It's in. There's nothing more complicated than that. With the Dell, we don't even have to screw anything on. Just line it up, close the actual side door here, and it locks everything right back into place. We're going to put the panel back on. And yes, maybe I should vacuum out the inside of this computer, but you know, that's not for today. And there we go. We're now going to be able to take all the stuff that we have plugged in the front, because the only USB ports on this computer are actually on the front. So we're going to move that to the back. I can now add another video capture card to the unit, so that way I can bring the total up to 3. And that's the idea down the road. So for now, we're all done. Turn everything back on. If I need, there's a driver package, but this should automatically set itself up and it should work just fine. And you can actually go to the manufacturer's site and download the drivers if you need it. And also, I'm going to include a picture now of this right here, which is the plug-in to PCI options, basically the 4 different slots that it will work in. So I'm going to show that to you, because of course, when you look at it, it's a small slot, but it does fit in 4 different slots. And if I call them out for you right now, you're looking at the PCI-e, the X1, X4, X8, and X16 interface. Again, I'll have a picture up at the same time as I call these off to you. This way, giving you a good idea of what you're looking at. Well, I hope this video helped you out a bit in your buying soon today. Maybe I'll see you in the next one. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Bye for now. Oh yeah. Gotta remember to plug things back in. Always plug everything back in.